Uptown Swing, level 1. 6 count. You are?
Hannah.
I am Peter. There was some debate about that, but that is the truth. We did a lot of stuff. You did very well. Here is the stuff we did. Let's just do the footwork. I'm the leader. She's the follower.
I'm the follower.
Check it out. Left foot for me, right for her. We go rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. This is what you need to do a million zillion times before you come back. At home, you're brushing your teeth, you're making eggs in the morning, and you think rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. In your nightmares, my voice, rock, step, triple step, forever. That'd be really, really helpful. And just a little reminder, if you find yourself having a difficult time with those triple steps, if you got 2 steps on the rock step, the triple step is just a scoot. You can make it big and really exaggerate it, and if you find yourself not able to do it with this nice smooth feeling, the idea is to get a little smiley face, where when you step, your belly button goes down. Scoopy scoop, scoopy scoop. Rock, step, scoopy scoop, scoopy scoop. If you're getting it, just go fast. If you need to slow down, that can help you get the right feel. We did open position, like this. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. We did closed position, like this. Here it is from the back. And then we did 2 fancy turns. We did open, close, turn, rock, step, change places. We call that the tuck turn and the change of places. Open, close, turn, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Keep dancing, keep practicing. We'll see you next week. Hey, ho, hey.